In order to add items to an invoice, once you get the invoice control up, and this works the same for adding items to service tickets or major unit sales, it really doesn't make any difference. We're just going to select the plus sign here, and the system will pop up a box asking us to enter our part number. Now, if we happen to use a barcode scanner, we can select the using scanner button here, and then all we do is scan the item. In those situations, Lizzie will literally just take the part and pop it onto the invoice for you. In this situation, I'm just going to hand type a part so you can kind of see what the process is. You can see that the system gives us our part number and description information, the manufacturer, how many we currently have in stock. We're going to select the item, and then from here, any item references or cross-reference information will be here on the right. Super session data shows here on the right, and then we get the different bin locations that that particular part happens to reside in. We're going to go ahead and select one of the bins. Anytime you see this icon here, that is warning you that there are parts for this part that are in the returns bin that you can sell, but you need to actually process out of the returns bin before you can sell them. We can change the price, add a discount, whatever we want to do. At this point, if we don't have the part and the customer says, you know, never mind, I'm just going to get it off the internet, or I'm going to go get it somewhere else, we want to record the fact that that happened. So the lost sale button actually allows us to do that, so we can possibly see what parts we might want to start stocking because we've lost 3 or 4 sales because we didn't have it. So in this case, we're just going to go ahead and tell it to add and close the form. And the only thing left to do is to click this green button once you physically have gone back and retrieved the parts from stock. Now, the reason you want to wait is because you want to make sure that you have them. If you go back, system tells you got 3, you go back and you can't find any. When you come back, you want to click the red button, tell Lizzie you don't have any. Lizzie will adjust the 3 out of inventory, order the part that you need to get, and take care of everything for you with a click of a button. The green button basically tells Lizzie everything is okay, and it's okay to go ahead and process that part. Now, so I'm going to go ahead and click the green button, and you'll also notice that just before I did that, there was a link up here that allowed me to automatically tag every part on the invoice. If I happen to have 20 parts on here, I could tag them all at once instead of having to click them one at a time.